tree. Book.
Obviously.
Okay.
Have you been hearing those weird noises?
What noise?
Those noises.
Shh.
Yeah, that's where I found the information. I've been trying to understand how to make that. But honestly, it's so hard.
Well, I'm not really sure what we're gonna do with this exactly, Karen, but wait. Did you hear that?
Karen?
Did you hear that?
Hear what?
That noise.
I hear it's coming from the living room.
I'm gonna find it.
We should go check it out.
Where is it coming from? Ah! Did you find it?
No, I haven't found anything yet. Well, actually, I found the popcorn that we've been looking for that fell when we were watching the movie the other night. And might I say, that stuff is disgusting. What the? I found our noise.
What the heck, Kevin? That noise has been driving me crazy all day. I didn't even know you could make that noise. We're just... Why?
Well, I felt like, I don't know. I don't know.
Whatever, Kevin. Just stay away from me.
I mean, I think you both are overreacting, but that is a pretty weird noise that you make, Kevin. Pretty weird.